So yeah, that's it. Any doubts, clarifications? So anyways, like this is something which we cannot complete the report in our 2 to 3 hours of call. The reason, because as I mentioned, it's time consuming. It takes a lot of time. A lot of attention to detail is required. A lot of patience. A lot of data you need to verify, cross verify, um, and all, validate it, and then update the sheet. But this is what the approach, I would say, which looks like. So this is the basic approach. There are some experts who, means, if I say I'm a sourcing specialist, I've seen experts who are market intel specialists. They go on a completely next level. They add charts to this and all, everything. So let's say if we just do this. So in Excel, I would have done. So if you want to present it in the chart. So after every data, maybe a percentage and a value. So it goes bigger. So you just need to be good at that. What charts you want to choose and all, everything. So in Excel, so there are people who are professionals who does only this job, and this just go on adding the charts, and their market intel reports looks quite interesting. What I was involved in IBM is only up to capturing the information. After capturing the information, I used to send it to my colleague, Arnab Mandal, and who is the one, he's the one who is to build this particular charts and give a beautifying look to this, these things. They're good friends too. So he's the one who is completely a talent insights. I myself learned from him basically when I was with IBM working with him. That time I learned from him. All right. Any further doubts, question and all? Is it clear, good, bad?
So I think the same data can be gathered from Naukri as well, right?
Yeah, whichever the source you're using. So you have to run various searches basically. So I've shown you the approach. Now it depends on the which source you're using. You're using LinkedIn, Monster, Naukri, whatever. Based on that, then you mentioned this report has been published based on the data available in LinkedIn, or which are the source you're using.
Got it.
But yeah, this is how almost the approach would look like. We can go as long as, so in free version itself, it's giving us so much of information. What else you want? Again, industry if you want to add and all. So majorly what we want: current company, past company, universities, and the location breakup. First, overall pool we want. Then second, we want a location breakup. Third, we want which are the top 5 product companies or which are the aligned companies. And second, for that top 5 product companies, let's say Amazon is one among them. What are the past 5 companies where Amazon is hiring from, and what are the past 5 universities where Amazon is hiring from? Just to keep a crisp report. Majority of our market intel reports considers this. By using a paid version, you're adding just additional 5 companies or 5 locations or additional 5 data. But otherwise, on a free version also, you pretty much you can implement it. And you can say that this is something based on my network, because I don't have a LinkedIn to look at the whole data of a LinkedIn. But if you can provide me a LinkedIn Recruiter or LinkedIn Lite for a month or so, I would be able to come up with such kind of a reports every month on month. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Nothing else, nothing much. Let me upload this session in a YouTube, keep you posted. And in case if you have any further doubts, feel free to cover up in our upcoming session. And yeah, please, we are starting this fast track batches from tomorrow. Please share in your team, in your network, whoever wants to attend. Right from the scratch, it will be completely from zero. And the duration, we have given it for 3 weeks, but we'll try to see in case if we can complete much earlier than that, but otherwise minimum 3 weeks. And it's gonna be like completely a school session, evening 6 o'clock to night 10 o'clock with the breaks and all. First the theoretical part, then the R&D, then the practice kind of a stuff.
Thank you, Shiv. Thank you. Thanks for your support.
Thank you, Shiv.
All right.
Shiv,
Any
are
other
you going to
doubts,
send the
please?
link about tomorrow's classes?
Yeah. About the one which is going to start from tomorrow.
Yeah. We'll be waiting for the link. And today's class is good, Shiv. Thank you.
Yeah. So on free version, how to do it, how to cover it, because see, everyone not have the paid version of it. So I purposefully, I did not show how to do it on a paid version, because if you know how to do it on a free version, then definitely you would do much better than a paid version. On a paid version.
Got it, Shiv. Yeah.
Yeah, but otherwise for free also, whatever the information is available, that is actually fabulous, I would say.
Yes, Shiv. But Shiv, a few of the hiring managers comes up with their specific, interest of areas, right?
Didn't get you, Sharma. What? Few of the hiring
Few of
managers.
the specific hiring managers, they come up with their own specific, the area that they want that market intelligence, right? So there is no standard, market
There is no
intelligence.
standard template. This, as an example, I've taken. There is no standard template. So as Namrata was telling, we have to understand the objective of this MI. So what is the ask? What is the objective? Once we know the ask and the objective, then we have to plan through which source we are going to see, what searches we are going to run. Main thing, the most important thing is first finalizing a search, very high level search, which should give as much as data as possible. Once you finalize the search, then additional filters keeps applying. You give those filters. Every search runs. Now, if you see, just to give this data, okay, as I've shown this one, okay. So every search has been run at least 4 times or 5 times or 6 times to capture the data.
Got it, Shiv.
This is how the thought process of building a very good market intel report looks like. When I presented this thing to business was completely wowed. And this is what the data straightforwardly says, like, okay, if I'm seeing 16,000 here, okay, 10,000, 4,000 are there in the top 10 product companies, and remaining 6,000 are in our chip companies. So this itself making 10,000. And again, these are only top 10. So below that also you have a less than business as much. So do you mean to say that all these people are coming? Yeah, that's what the data is telling.
Yeah, Shiv, I have a question. Nowhere, whether you use LinkedIn Recruiter Lite or you use LinkedIn corporate account, any account will not get these current salary details, right, Shiv?
Salary,
unless you go to salary insights.
Naukri is better to get the salaries.
Got it, Shiv. And notice period and salary, you will
Naukri is better to get notice period and salaries. Naukri,
got it, Shiv.
Yeah.
So like any of the other social platform like GitHub, anywhere we don't get it, right?
Salaries, you're saying?
Yeah, salaries and notice period as well. Until unless they
so notice period,
salaries,
definitely those Naukri monster are better. But otherwise, on LinkedIn, this one link which I've just copy pasted on a doc, just explore this also. This also a lot of times I find it very useful. This one and Glassdoor, pay scale, and a LinkedIn salary. This everything is based on the crowdsource, whatever the people are giving the information based on that. But it's not accurate, but yeah, we can get the ranges at least.
Got it, Shiv. Shiv, are you using LinkedIn Recruiter Lite or LinkedIn? I can see that you're using Lite if I'm not wrong.
No, I have a full-fledged global license. I have it.
Sure. Yeah, got it. Shiv.
Yeah. Fine then. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Bye.
Yeah,
Thank
Shiv,
you.
I'm sorry, I have one more question. So last time you have, you have started a session free version of LinkedIn, right? So we have stopped that session on advertise, like how to advertise, how to do
That we
these
missed,
insights.
right? Again,
Yeah.
we'll start FLA LinkedIn in these fast track sessions. Maybe
Sure.
somewhere in that we'll cover.
Definitely. That we haven't covered, and also there are no
So
requests on
for
it
our
as well.
batch 7, what is left over now is not much. In fact, let me tell you, batch 7 and 8, I think we are almost completed.
Yeah, sure.
Just a second. Why is it not going?
Shiv, and also I have observed, like you have given female as a keyword in when you're doing diversity searches. So you mean to say there are also schools with female name, like right?
You can
Keyword
give
as a
that.
female.
Yeah, you can give that.
Okay, because I have searched in my first degree connections. Unfortunately, I didn't get any good result. So I
No,
was
it gives.
wondering, like,
Why it won't give? It will give.
might be my first degree connections might not they
No,
don't
not
have that keyword.
first, second, third. Like if you see,
And also, Shiv, these diversity searches while doing female, while doing this, Mahila, Balika, Balike, this will work only on free version of it, right?
only free it is. Yeah.
So you have to add individually if you are using a LinkedIn recruiter or recruiter light version.
You see your
Like
GW,
colleges.
GW 17. So up to 122 I used. I'm not able to say. Okay, let's take this one only. G62, GW. So you need to keep on adding. I've added like up to 100, 200. Here
So
is
how, like you have added this manually, Shiv?
manually added.
Okay, manually added and you have bookmarked that page.
Yes.
Got it, Shiv, got it. I thought of asking you a document. I thought there is a document.
No,
where
it's
you
all
have
manually added actually.
Yeah, that's what even I was trying to do that. Like, I haven't got this. Like, I'm
No,
unable to do it.
this
Only free
all
version I
manual.
can do it.
No, all these are manual actually.
So the same, like, the hack that you have told us, like girls
Yeah, in
B,
FLA I told,
right?
right? If you see this
Yeah,
128, added 128 colleges.
Shiv, do you have any document which talks about these titles, like software, like any document related to all the skills for UI developer? How many, common names that titles have? All that stuff.
Document I don't have because these are all like, see, whatever the search is 51,000 and all, it takes a lot of manual effort. How will we capture in a document? So if you see 28 schools, we can
So not this,
capture.
what I was asking is like, you usually write like software engineer, software developer, software programmer, SDE, MTS kind of. So for any specific skill for UI developer, there would be many number of titles, right?
Just go through this document. Here we have captured a lot of searches. So maybe in next
Okay.
example, you can come up with a, let's say if you're in a process of identifying UI developers, let us know. We'll use all the variations of UI developers and we'll come up with the string.
Got it, Shiv. Got it. So I can I can write it on group in case if I'm looking
You
for
can
more
say
keywords.
that
Whatever
maybe
I know,
let's
I'll
try
share
to
it
cover
there.
these examples today, and then we'll be able to cover all this. Whatever the examples we are given, most of the times it's suggested from some of the other group members, and we have taken these examples to create these searches.
Got it. Shiv. Got it. So, as you suggested, it is always better whenever we are working on a requirement. It is always better to save these things so that in future course of action over a period of time, if you're working on same requirement, then we can.
Absolutely. Like if you see, here is a. So I did this search and ran four times. The reason because I had scraped the list of 2000 diversity names from mynames.babynames.com, consolidated it, and by using OR builder, created these 4 sets. So first I would run with the first 500, then second 500, then third 500, then fourth 500. So that's the reason this searches has been ran 4 or 5 times for each number. For VMware 4 times. Why? Because LinkedIn would not take all 2000 names at once. It was taking
So you
500.
used to give 500 at a time, Shiv? 500 names at a time?
Yeah, it used to give, but now it has been reduced to 300 now.
300. Free version?
Huh?
Free version also 300 or any?
Free version up to 50.
Up to 50, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So we have to keep on
49.
adding, like, Okay. Okay. Shiv, can you share this link? These links, like these names look good actually.
Wait a second. This. Let me share it in the group. I'll share it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it, Shiv.
This is
Thank you. Thanks for
specifically
doing
for the diversity sourcing. This one again means it wasn't easy to build this list. Otherwise, we'll have one session how to build this list so that tomorrow if you are working on similar list, how you would be able to build this list.
Yeah, schools I got it. Like as I said that manually we can do it if you're recruiter.
If you see
The
all
list that
this.
now you have showed it.
All right then.
Yeah, thank you, Shiv.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks everyone.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you, Shiv.
Yeah,
Hello.
bye.
Shiv, hello.
Hmm.
Last class I missed the session due to some personal commitment. Can you please share me the last class
Was
if you have
last?
recorded?
Last, I think I have uploaded already.
Okay, where you have uploaded?
I've sent the links also.
No, I'm sorry, I missed out. I don't know where it is. Okay, I have to go to YouTube and
Just go to YouTube.
okay.
Wait a second. I shared in the groups also.
No, 1 second. I have to go for talent sourcing group 4.
Okay, here it is. You're there in WhatsApp group. Which group are you?
I multi-recruit.
This one?
No.
From where you got
Can you
the
take my
information?
I got it from multi-recruit group, multi-recruit consultancy. From that, I got this link.
No, we have our own WhatsApp groups. Just ping me on WhatsApp. I'll add you in a group.
Okay, your number, Shiv, because now I will not get your number once I disconnect.
8050-020304.
1 second, 805002.
0304.
Okay, I'll repeat it. 8050020304.
Yeah. When did you join?
Last week, I received a link from multi-recruit. Okay, I'm working in multi-recruit. But last week I couldn't attend due to some personal commitment. And this week only I'm attending.
No problem. Anyways,